Hello fellow DIYers and focus owners. Today I went ahead and cleaned the card a little bit, while touch washed it actually, and I want to try this clay bar from Chemical Guys. I bought this clay bar from, I believe, Pro Detailing here in Romania, but I guess you can find it in the US pretty easily. So this is a medium clay bar, and I want to see how well does it do what it does. So will it make the paint shiny or not? I don't really have anything to lose because this paint is really fucked up. It has all kinds of crud and the clear coat is fading. So that's why I said let's try it, because I don't have anything to lose. So let's begin by reading the instructions. It says to wash the car. After that, flatten the piece of clay bar, a smaller piece of clay bar, into your hand and use it on a well lubricated surface. Well, I'm going to use some car soap and water, because I don't have the Chemical Guys Lube Clay Bar Lubricant or Quick Detailer. Okay, and I will choose kind of this area to start. You should work on a 2 by 2 inch area. That's about 5 by 5 centimeters if I'm correct. So let's see. Yeah, so sticky. Well, I guess it's doing something. Kinda sounds like sanding paper. I did remove that tree sap. So I'm not actually sure what's going to be the difference, but I will be back after the car is dried and I did a bigger part, so you can see the difference between the clay barred part and not clay barred, or before clay barring. So this is what I've been up to. I did pass about 3 or 4 times with the clay bar. At first it sounded like sanding paper, and after that it sounded kind of squeaky. Not sure. So now I will rinse the surface and hopefully see a difference, because I did pretty much the half of the bonnet. The surface is mostly dry. I don't see that big of a difference. Kind of looks like it's a lighter color, the surface that I clay barred. And did scratch most of the surface. Well, I did want to try a polishing pad for a drill that I bought a few days ago, so that's going to be next. And I also have some turtle wax, some polish paste, turtle wax polish paste, yeah. So I guess that's going to be the next thing that I'm going to try on this bonnet. So I did figure out something, actually a friend figured it out. Listen to the sound of this part. It's like 1000 grit sanding paper, and this, it's really clean, but it did leave a lot of these scratch marks. So this is what I've been up to. I cleaned the whole bonnet, and now I will have to polish it because it did scratch the surface. And I should mention that I did kind of linear movements that way and that way. And this clay bar got really soft. Now on to the polishing part. I did buy this, but it only came with the pad. On the back says it is the whole thingy. So I'm not sure what the hell is going on. And it doesn't say what it contains. So yeah, I guess I will hand polish it, because I have this and I have another polishing pad, so let's see what I can do with those. So this is what it looks like after the polish. Still has really small scratches, but it seems to be, I mean, this polish paste seems to be polish paste plus some kind of wax. So now the surface is really smooth. So these small light blue spots are from the wax getting into holes or where the clear coat chipped off, and I can't really do anything about it. So ideally I could recoat the bonnet, and that would solve this. And I actually have a small rust spot here and other rust spots here and there, so that might be a thing that I will need to do anyway. So I do think the finish is really nice, well, in comparison to this, because this is like it's sanding paper and this is really smooth. And by the way, this is the paste that I used, Turtle Wax Color Magic, and you can get it in multiple colors depending on your vehicle's color. And I applied it with that blue wool pad. I used linear motions, and after that I wiped the wax part off with this microfiber towel, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions on detailing products that I should try, go ahead and leave a comment.